Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock safe passwords in Firefox. So if you want to protect all your safe passwords in Firefox, you can lock them using a master password. So here's how to set it up. To start, open Firefox. Click the menu at the top right. Now in here you need to go to Settings. Now once you're on Settings, click Privacy and Security on the left. Now, once you're in here, you need to scroll down to logins and passwords and look for use a primary password. So, click on this one. And in here, you need to enter your password, re enter your password, click on OK, and click on OK. And your saved logins are now locked behind this password. So now take note, you'll need this password to access saved logins. If you forget it, you may lose access to stored passwords. Choose something strong, but make sure it's memorable. Now, if you want to change or remove password, so go back to privacy and security and click on use primary password. So enter your current password and click on remove. And that's basically it. Your safe passwords in Firefox are now fully locked and protected. Thanks for watching.